Hello everyone, welcome to English News at HEJURU TV. Our TV is an online platform that prepares and broadcasts news about various aspects of Burundi, including politics, security, human rights issues, announcements on social issues. Our sources include field visits, analysis of social media trends, and other topics related to Burundi. Today, allow us to go in Burundi. An administration officer is prosecuted for complicity in illegal fuel tracking. This is Gilbert Nyong'oro. He was arrested Monday afternoon by judicial police in Burundi. He is suspected for complicity in illicit fuel trafficking in Rushemeza village, Muzenga zone in the Burundi district and province in the southern Burundi. This trafficking is all the more combated because it constitutes a real public danger. According to the police sources in Burundi, 4 houses located in Rushemeza village were reduced to ashes. One that was used in illegal sale of fuel was treated. The property located there was completely destroyed by the fire. The origin of this fire is linked to this fuel, according to an administration source in Burundi and certain residents of this village. Gilbert Nyong'oro, a deputy village chief in Rushemeza, has been detained since Monday, July 15th in the police cell in Burundi. He is suspected of having wounded Alexandre Nichiteretse, a local leader, when the police were about to arrest him. He is the owner of the house that caught fire. The latter is on the run. This fire occurred at a time where the black fuel market proliferated in several corners of the country. With the shortage of fuel plaguing in the country, pump attendants and gas station owners have adopted the reflex of selling bad fuel at the official price, while another part supplies the black market at very exorbitant prices. The black market was also developed on Burundi's borders with Tanzania and Democratic Republic of Congo, respectively.